10 Stoic habits that forge an unshakable character. There are choices we make every single day, small acts that shape who we become. Over time, these habits either strengthen our character or erode it. The ancient Stoics understood this well. To them, life's trials weren't punishments, but the forge in which the soul is tempered. Today, we walk alongside those wise voices of the past, exploring 10 daily practices that build a life rooted in resilience, peace, and purpose. These habits aren't for those seeking ease, they're for those who choose growth, even when it's hard. 1. Practice self-control. Control doesn't begin with the world around us, it begins within. As Marcus Aurelius wrote, you have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength. True discipline is the foundation of inner power. Each day, we must choose to master our impulses, not be mastered by them. 2. Embrace hardship. We live in a world obsessed with comfort, but comfort rarely builds strength. Seneca reminded us, difficulties strengthen the mind, as labor strengthens the body. Seek challenge. Welcome discomfort. These are the very tools that shape resilience. 3. Choose gratitude. Gratitude isn't just noticing the good, it's choosing to center your mind on it. Epictetus taught, he is a wise man who does not grieve for the things which he has not, but rejoices for those which he has. Gratitude anchors us, especially in chaos. 4. Release what you can't control. So much of our suffering is self-made, rooted in our attempts to control the uncontrollable. Let go. Epictetus advised, make the best use of what is in your power and take the rest as it happens. Freedom begins when we stop clinging to what was never ours to hold. 5. Remember death. It may sound grim, but nothing sharpens perspective like the reminder of mortality. Marcus Aurelius said, you could leave life right now. Let that determine what you do and say and think. Knowing our time is limited makes every moment more meaningful. 6. Refrain from judgment. To judge others is to obscure our own flaws. The Stoics encourage self-reflection over condemnation. Whenever you're about to find fault with someone, ask, what fault of mine most resembles this? True wisdom is humble and compassionate. 7. Speak with intention. Words can wound or uplift. Zeno of Citium said, better to trip with the feet than with the tongue. Use your voice with care. Speak truth. Speak kindness. Speak only what adds value. 8. Seek solitude and silence. In a noisy world, silence becomes a form of strength. Seneca wrote, nowhere can man find a quieter retreat than in his own soul. Take time each day to withdraw, to be still and listen inward. There lies your truest guide. 9. Practice kindness. Kindness is not weakness, it's evidence of mastery over ego. Seneca said, wherever there is a human being, there is an opportunity for kindness. Kindness nurtures both others and yourself. Choose it daily. 10. And with reflection, each night, take a moment to look inward. What did you do well? Where did you fall short? Epictetus advised, progress comes through proper reflection. By reviewing our days, we slowly shape our future. These practices won't make life easier, but they will make you stronger, calmer, more grounded. This is the Stoic path, a path of purpose, a path of peace that comes not from the world, but from within. Walk it daily and you'll discover something enduring, an inner fortress, a soul untouched by storms. A life truly worth living.